English Grade 3 Lesson 19. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Kandy. I live in Colombo. I live in Mathura. Learn this. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have. I have a dog. It's Bushy. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have. I have a cat and a dog. Cat is Lou and the dog is Sushi. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have. I have a fish. Its name is Cushy. What about you? Meaning. My family. This is my sister. She is 8 years old. This is my brother. He is 9 years old. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. He is my uncle. She is my aunt. Meaning. Read this. My name is Ravin. I have a happy family. Meet my father. He is Kapila. He is happy. Meet my mother. She is Rasini. She is happy. Meaning. Learn this. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat rice. I drink milk. I go to school. I play with my friends. Meaning. Learn this. It is an apple. It is a butterfly. It is an elephant. It is an orange. It is a dog. It is a cat. It is a rose. It is an umbrella. Meaning. Learn this. This is a red apple. This is a yellow bird. This is a blue fish. This is a green leaf. This is a white dog. This is a black cat. Meaning. Learn this. This is my classroom. It is big. The walls are yellow. The desks are brown. I like my classroom. Meaning. Repeating the lesson studied. How old are you? I am 8 years old. How old are you? I am 9 years old. How old are you? I am 10 years old. What grade are you in? I am in grade 2. What grade are you in? I am in grade 3. What grade are you in? I am in grade 4.